5:45 a.m. Sunset's in a half an hour. Sunrise, sorry. Sunrise is a half an hour. Slept all right. Pretty windy. It looks pretty cloudy right now because we're on top of a mountain. I think if I walk over, I hope it's gonna clear up for sunrise, but really chilly with the wind, but I feel real good inside my sleeping bag. So if I get my socks on and shoes, start walking, I think we'll warm right up. Happy Tuesday. Yay! A little bit chillier than I thought, and we might actually not get a sunrise. We're gonna go through this grove of trees and it should be over there, but we'll see. Here's where I slept last night. Just plopped out the old sleeping bag, watched the sunset. It was super nice. It's chilly, so I'm gonna get moving. See ya. All right, it's a dang chilly morning. I put my food right inside these trees right here that are gonna feel very mysterious and creepy. Phew! And we'll see if a bear or animal got to them. They are still in the tree. Nothing got to them, so we're good. I'm gonna go get them down. All right, chasing the sunrise. It's pretty cloudy, foggy up on that ridge, up on High Hump or Hump Mountain, something like that, Hump Bald. It's just over 5,500 feet there, so might be clear on the other side, but we got a beautiful view this morning. Clouds poking through, sunlight hitting them. Can't complain. Windy morning. Looking like it's gonna be a beast up Hump Mountain. Pretty over in Tennessee. Pretty over in North Carolina. Windy right here. Not a surprising update. No sunrise up here. But it is beautiful. Cloudy. Just had a wonderful prayer. Hump Mountain. 5587. But I am just gonna drop now for 6 miles or so I bet it'll open up and be beautiful. We'll see. Wishes do come true. Look at this open up. That is incredible. Start to day 20. Hump Mountain. Look at this, man. Come on. Up everywhere. Gorgeous morning. Oh my gosh, the sun just peeked out all the way. Oh man, I got bright there for a sec. This is incredible. We didn't get the full sunrise, but it is starting to clear out now. I think when we get over this ridge and start to drop down, it's gonna be pretty epic. Looking at Grandfather Mountain to the east, sun to the northeast. This is gorgeous. It's just past 7 a.m. 6 more miles till we get a Mountain Harbor all-you-can-eat buffet breakfast. I hope. There's probably some rules and regulations and I won't be able to, but I'm excited either way. This is gorgeous. This fills my soul. Now I just gotta fill my body. I'm about 10 minutes from an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet at Mountain Harbor on US 19 East. It's crossing the end of this mountain. Hiked 8 miles this morning, left at 6, got a cool, not so much sunrise, but sun coming up. Clouds lifting. It is beautiful. I'm so hungry right now. My family back home, my stepdad sent pictures of the homemade maple bars he made and then the homemade kolaches he made. I'm like, you're killing me. Sounds so good right now. I have this bad feeling inside me though, that because this guy I talked to last night was like, yeah, someone said you have to be a guest to eat breakfast there, but I'm like, no, you probably get free breakfast if you're a guest, but pay if you're just coming for breakfast. But I'm nervous I'm gonna get there and say, hey, I'm here for the best breakfast on the Appalachian Trail, and they're gonna be like, are you a guest? No. I'm like, oh, sorry, it's for guests only. And I'm just gonna collapse and start crying. But either way, it'll be good. I got 15 pounds of my food in my backpack, so I'll be eating either way. But right now I don't care the price of that buffet. If they're like, yeah, I do. If it's over $25, I'll say no, but I'm ready to eat the most food I've eaten on the trail so far. Whew. I'm here, I'm really, really here. Oh, nice stream. Might take a shower in that later. Little bathrooski. Sometimes it's good to be in wilderness and hear the sound of birds and trees and wind and rain. And then sometimes it's good to hear the sound of automobiles driving on a road. Civilization. Gas burning, exhaust pipes smoking, sound of sweet, sweet food. Hot, freshly cooked, sizzling food coming your way. So weird to think you're just escaping this trail that's people do for 6 months and just popping out into public. Just totally takes you out of it. You enter right into it within 30 seconds and leaving it, boom, you're right into normal life on the road. Nobody even thinking on those roads about the trail, just daily commute or whatever plans they have. US 19 East. Where is Mountain Harbor? Where art thou? I think we're gonna go this way, and hopefully it's down there. We made it. We actually made it. Mountain Harbor bed and breakfast, food truck, hostel, general store, hiker services, tenting, showers, laundry, resupply, next right. Mountain Harbor hiker trail entrance. I'm so grateful. I hope I can have breakfast. Oh, they got tree houses here. This is amazing. This is super cool. That's what I need, man, in my life. That's what I freaking need. So cool. Oh, super cool tree house. And we made it, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the hiker entrance for the Mountain Harbor bed and breakfast. Oh, I pray that I can eat breakfast here. I pray that I got here at the right time. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:58. 9 o'clock seems a great time for breakfast. Oh. This is beautiful. Welcome to Mountain Harbor. Please have food for me. Well, you have to be a guest to have breakfast. And breakfast is the 8, and I got here at 9. Pays to do your research. Grab some Chips Ahoy and an apple from the lounge area, Trail Magic, but pretty sad. Pretty sad. That's all. Alright, quick video of Mountain Harbor. Here's the general store. This is the hostel. Logbook. Moxie. Pretty sweet setup. Upstairs really cool, like a cabin type area. Got some Trail Magic. Mind if I do? I was gonna show you my feet before I put my socks on, but there's like dinner here from like 4 and on. They got burgers and stuff, and I'm leaving. I just stopped at 9, and I'm gonna head out around noon. 3-hour break to do the garbage, get charging. That's where like the stay is. They have like a super sick breakfast. Apparently it's like the best breakfast on the AT. Got the homies here. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me with the machine going. I want to show you my feet. Pretty rough. It's my toes mostly that just can't recover. So there we have it. Head out here in a half hour, go see some waterfalls and hit mile 400. Oh my goodness. We are leaving Mountain Harbor. Overwhelmed my stay by a long shot. I got in at 9 a.m. for some breakfast where a lady bluntly told me it's for guests only. And breakfast was at 8 o'clock. I said, dang, okay, well, yeah, I'd pay to stay as a guest if I got breakfast, but I don't know if I'm gonna stay a full day. So there was some snacks, some Trail Magic. There was a place to charge my devices, so I'm fully charged now. Hung out, dried
everything out. And I got to hang out with Squeaky and Lomain, Logan and Ryan. There's that awesome tree house. But I just kept waiting and waiting. Neither of them were gonna stay there, Lomain or Squeaky. And then Lomain gets there, we go check out the hostel, the dryer and washer, the tent site, looked at pictures of breakfast, and he's like, screw it, I'm taking a 0 day. So he's staying there. Then Squeaky was like, no, I'm headed out, I'll go. He was gonna head out around the time I left too. We're getting everything geared up and stuff. And he was back and forth, and then he's like, bro, I'm staying. And I was actually, well, I wouldn't say close to staying, but I kept fighting my inner self saying, dude, just stay, hang out for a day, it'll be fun. I got Wi-Fi, can catch up on everything. But there we go, headed out. But I don't want to take a true 0 day until I have a computer, like at a public library, where I can sit there and upload YouTube videos, get caught up that way. But I did get caught up on Strava, posted some pictures, checked in with everything, so that's good. Now moving on. Plus, we're about to hit mile 400, and Damascus, Virginia, the big town I passed through, is mile 469. So if we do 20 miles a day, and it's Tuesday right now, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be there Friday night. So I'm gonna start browsing for Airbnbs or hotel or hostel in Damascus. And I think Saturday, ooh, I just thought about that. I want to use the public library, but Saturday it might be closed. I need to call them. Anyways, I'll probably take an off day all day Saturday, stay in a hostel Friday night, stay in a hostel Saturday night, and hit it hard Sunday. So we will see, we will see. And just like that, crossed the road 3.5 hours ago, went to the bed and breakfast, hung out, charged up, goodbye, and back on the trail. Back into the woods. Day 20, 400 miles. Stoked. Check it out. Jones Waterfall. Super pretty. Got the butterflies flying around. So misty. Only one here again. It's crazy. It's like a nice place up there to take a shower. Nice stroll along the river. Pretty little river right here from the Jones Waterfall. Nice little meadow. Wanted to record it because I think we're going back up into the mountains, and that was a nice little break. It was could feel the dog days of summer, the heat coming on, even though it's only in the low 70s. Apparently it was toasty in the sun. Very grateful for the trees, but there's the last of the river for a while. Tally-ho. Another snaky. Mountaineer Falls. Pretty beautiful. What the? Sheesh. Pop's tree. Looks like a nice dirt road. Gonna keep on pushing. I'd like to come back and ride all these roads. Be cool to see them and give trail magic throughout it. Do a big Appalachian Trail road trip. All right, here we go.